In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on Substack. If you've ever wanted a headline, a short announcement, or a cool outline to sit neatly in the middle of your post, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in Substack's editor. We'll start from opening the site, move through creating a new post, and then center the text before wrapping up with publishing. First, open your web browser and go to Substack. Make sure you're on your own publications dashboard so you can create a new post. You should see a Create or New Post option near the top of the page or in the sidebar. Click that to begin. Next, choose Article. This opens the standard post editor where you can write and format your piece. You'll see a clean writing area and a minimal toolbar that appears when you interact with text. Now type the text you want to center. This could be a single line, a short paragraph, or even a subheading. If you already have a draft in progress, place your cursor in the editor and add the line you want centered where it belongs in your post. Once your text is in place, highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the words, or by using keyboard shortcuts like Shift plus the arrow keys. Make sure you select the exact portion you want centered, nothing more and nothing less, so the formatting applies only where you intend. With the text highlighted, look for the formatting toolbar. It may appear directly above the selection or at the top of the editor. Find the alignment icon, which typically looks like stacked horizontal lines. Click that to open the alignment options. Choose Center. As soon as you select it, the highlighted text will move to the middle of the editor. If you change your mind, you can return to the alignment menu to switch it back to left alignment. For multiple separate paragraphs, repeat this selection and centering action on each one, or highlight them together before choosing Center. When your formatting looks right, click Continue. This takes you to the publishing screen where you can confirm how the post will be shared. Review your post title, audience, and delivery settings to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click Send to everyone now to publish and email the post to your subscribers immediately. This confirms your changes and sends your centered text out as part of the live article. And that's it. You opened Substack, created an article, typed your content, highlighted it, used the alignment tool to center it, and published. Thanks for watching, and happy writing on Substack.